So hello guys, I'm back on a new video, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review a HP wireless mouse. Its model is HP S500. So it's called the HP S500 wireless mouse. So let's get started.
Do you want to know a secret?
Before we move further, I had one thing to say that actually thanks for your support and love I've got from you all, and the other viewers who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I get motivated for making more videos, and I will be making more regular videos from now because I got much love from support from all of you. So thanks for that. And many of you have not subscribed to my channel, so to do subscribe. Like I have 11k views on my one video, and the subscribers are only 150, and that's like not only 10% also of it, or it's the 10% approx. So 90% have not subscribed. So what are you doing? Do subscribe. So let's start by checking out the display over here, and over here it shows DPI 1000 2.4 GHz wireless optical sensor. So this mouse has 1000 DPI 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, and it works with optical sensor. It has an optical sensor for its work. On the left side, nothing much is written. Over here it's written reliable 2.4 GHz wireless connection, countered shape for all-day comfort in either hand. Optical sensor works on a variety of surfaces. Wireless connectivity up to 30 feet, that is 10 meters. HP standard 1-year limited warranty. Okay, so it has 1-year warranty. Over here the price is 800 rupees, it's written. Actually the price is not 800. I didn't got it for 800. I got it for only 600. And so let me just tell you how did I got this 800 mouse for 600, like 200 discount. It's because I bought it from an offline market, like a computer market that's filled with computers accessories. So it was cheap over there. It is a wholesale market. I don't know the location. I didn't bought it. I told someone to get it for me because someone lives over there. So that's why you know how I got it for cheap. So let's move further back into our video. So inside we get a mouse, a receiver, and a AA battery, user manual, and a warranty card. Maybe that's warranty only, I think. And system requirements: USB port, supports Windows 7, 8, 10, and Mac OS. So awesome, we have checked the box fully. Now it's time to unbox it. So let's open it. Over here, let's take it out. Okay, so first you will see here the unified receiver. We say it unified only. I can't say exactly. Over here are the cells. One cell, not cells. AA battery, and inside is a mouse. So before we take out the mouse, let's take out the cells that are packed. Here's the receiver, and so now it's just time to take out the mouse. Let's take out it. What? Are you kidding me? Inside there's a wireless, USB mouse. That's absolutely used, dirt all everywhere. And what? Okay, I'm just joking. Actual is just here. I just took it out. You can see that video in 3, 2, 1, go. And inside is now a mouse. It's looking quite good. I didn't thought it to be that nice. Over here, here's the warranty support for Technica. Okay, let's leave this. I'll read it later on. This I'm not going to read. So let's take it out. Here is our amazing, nice looking wireless mouse of HP. Its model is HP S500, and nothing more. It is here. The scrolling bar is looking just awesome. I'm just seeing a scrolling bar for now, and rest, the mouse shape, everything, the shape is quite nice, like the curves and everything. So let's move further. Let's connect it to the laptop quickly. It's plug and play or not, I don't know, so we'll test that, and let's get further. So guys, as you just saw that as soon as I inserted the receiver in my laptop, it just started working. Like I inserted the receiver, I clicked this button, the sensor was on when I clicked this button, and it started working. So it's just a play and plug work. So it's very easy to set it up. You don't have to set it up actually. You have to just insert the USB and it's done. So this is the best thing, and almost all wireless mouse have this only, and it doesn't has a switch and off and on button. So it actually doesn't need a on and off button, because like you can see it's currently blinking. That means it's on. Whenever I keep a surface, it will blink. Stop blinking and it will be a solid light. And if you want to turn it off, it's just a simple task. Like it can turn off itself also after some time of inactivity. But if you want to turn it off, the task is very easy. Like you have turned off the laptop, you don't want to use it. In this case, I am not turning off my laptop. I will take out the receiver. It just fell. Oh no. So you can see it started blinking very slow, and as I clicked this button, it just turned off in 2 clicks. See, in 2 clicks this just gone off. And now I will try to turn it on. It will not turn on because it is not able to transmit any signal, so it has kept itself off. And as soon as I will turn on the insert the receiver, it will start working. Like I will insert the receiver and you have to click this button once, and then it will start working, otherwise it will not work. So let's see that also. Let me bring my receiver again. So here I've bought my receiver. I will insert it quickly in my laptop over here. So you can see it's currently still off. I will click this button and now it will turn on. Like previously you saw when I have not inserted the receiver and I was clicking it, it was not getting on. So this is very simple, on and off. You have to click this when it's not connected, you have to click this when it's connected to turn off and on respectively. So guys, the first impression of the mouse was quite nice. Like it looks nice. It has like a curve on the side. Above, from front it's like a little bent, like what we say slope. So it looks nice. From here it's a bumped. So overall look of the mouse was quite nice when I saw it first time, and still it's looking good. It's comfortable in the hand. Yes, it's comfortable. It feels good. Like it's a little smaller than the usual mouse which are wired. I can't say about the wireless because this is my first ever wireless mouse. So if the wireless mouse are already always small or this one is small, I can't tell that. Here is my normal, oh, 1 second. So here is my normal wired mouse. So the difference is very less. Like the difference is this much. Yeah, really, you can see the image on your screen. It's very less. So this was it for the comfortability, looks. So let's move further on other features of this mouse. So the next test that we're going to do about it is that I'm going to use a mousepad now and I'm going to play a game. So we have to check that if there's any latency or lag or something like that, that the mouse stops working and I'm not able to play the game and I fail in passing the level. So for that, the game is just turning on. It's the Fall Guys Unlimited Knockdown that I love the most on my laptop. Like I don't play any game except the Fall Guys because I don't know any game. So if you can suggest some games that's out of the topic, but do comment it below because I want to play more games on my laptop. So do. So after playing a little bit game, I think that it's good for gaming also. Like there was no lag, no latency, nothing. Like the buttons are not working. I have used it from like not a day also. It has been some hours only, but I'm using it like for gaming also. I've used it, and for normal purpose also I've used it. So for both it's perfect fine. Now let's talk about its working on a variety of surfaces, as it was written on its box that it works on a variety of surfaces. So it actually works on a shiny surface, on a bed sheet, and on my pant also it works but little rough. Like pant also it's working good, on the bed sheet it's working perfect, and on the shiny surface it's working very perfect, and on the mouse pad it will obviously work, and on my t-shirt it is little lag or like little distorted, not working that nice. So it works on variety of surface, like many surfaces. So I've tried them all and it was working. So now let's test its range, like how far I can go, and it will still work. So let's move further. So guys, I am now testing its range, and one camera is already kept over here. It's recording the laptop. So if let's see till where it works, so we can get to know how much its range is. I'm going to go outside my room because the room is actually small, so I can't get it exactly. It shows 10 meters, so I have to try it till 10 meters. And I will tell you the result because I can't show you how far I am going. So let's see. So its range is quite nice. Like it was working from one end to the other end of the room, and outside the room really far I went downstairs and it was working. And I got to know where it stopped working because that, as I told you, it gets off when it gets disconnected. When I click this button 2 times, I was checking it everywhere, and there was a moment where it turned off, and that is really far. So this was the nice point of this, that it works really far, and that far I don't need it also from till where it works. So it was quite nice. And let's see other features of this mouse. So let's move further. Fine, so I will give this a HP S500 wireless mouse 4.5 or 5 out of 5 only for its gaming performance, comfortability. Yeah, there was just one thing, that when I was using it while playing games, like I have to hold it for much time, I was getting sweat on my hand, which I don't get while using my regular mouse. I don't know why, because I think its surface is like that, or it's new. It may be something. So I had one thing bonus in this video, except the mouse that we have already talked about. We have all the features finished about it. I have finally given it the review. So here I had one more thing that I bought from Amazon. So many people would be also buying it, so I thought to just review it of 1 minute in the mouse video only. So it's actually a mouse pad that I got from Amazon. Its link would be also in the description. You can check it out. Like it's so hard surface below, not hard, sorry, soft. It's a rubber surface that sticks and then doesn't move, it gets fixed. And after above, it's very smooth, like that mouse works very good on it. It's actually better than my one previous mouse pad. It's only of 200 rupees, and the edges are little shabby, like they are not nicely stitched as you can see in your photos. So it's nice for this price range. Like cheaper also come, but I know it's okay. It's written good things take time, that I wanted, because it was a nice product. I liked it. Like it's really soft, and its surface above is smooth. Its print is actually not the same color shown in the photo. It's a little different. You can see on this side the photo of Amazon, and here my photo which I have clicked, and it's a really difference. So it was not that nice. Its surface is smooth, but the color is little dull than the photo it's shown. Otherwise the color is good. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my video, and also follow me on my Instagram handle, that is _summit.talwar_. You will find the link in the description. Click there and you will reach to my page, and you can follow me there.